Hello there, my name is Kelly Harris. This is my behavioral analysis video project. Through the semester, I have been observing American crows. American crows are also known as the Corvus brachioryncos and are part of the Corvidae family. In this video, I wanted to go in depth and analyze the head bobbing behavior that occurs. I will go through the Tinbergen's 4 levels of analysis to figure out what the purpose of this behavior is. Head bobbing is easily described as a forward and backward movement of the head. This typically occurs while the American crow is stable and perched and not moving. It occasionally happens when the bird is cawing. It can either caw to communicate or for courtship reasons. From a causation level of analysis, crows caw at each other while they are communicating or when they are attempting to court another bird. Chang and Durand, 2004, can provide evidence that hormones controlling song behavior also influence the head bobbing produced. From a developmental standpoint, crows participate in cooperative breeding. As we recall from our cog books, this is a form of kin selection where relatives can help raise juveniles. With this, there are many different elders that have contact with the offspring. According to Conan of 1972, this cooperative breeding strategy imprints the offspring and is usually associated with a visual addition to communication. From an evolutionary level of analysis, head bobbing helps with balance for the crow. By shifting the center of gravity, especially when a crow perch up high above the ground, it has become a useful adaptation to help with hopping around on the ground or keeping still. Necker, 2007, explains how head bobbing has become synchronized with leg movements by an innate mechanism. This now leads us into the functional analysis of head bobbing. Head bobbing leads to better eyesight when trying to zone in on different things. Ortega, 2005, discusses how there is evidence that shows increased depth perception and the ability to focus in on a specific stimulus in its environment are correlated to head bobbing. Ortega, 2005, also has evidence that there is optimal vision at times of head bobbing. Chang and Durand, 2004, also discuss how head bobbing is related to song singing and learning, or in this case, cawing. This specifically made me refer to Cogbooks Module 9. In this module, it discussed how certain parts of the brain of birds activate song singing and learning abilities. Chang and Durand, 2004, relate the same parts of the brain to head bobbing. In conclusion, head bobbing is more than just a visual attribute.